Of all the products that were made in the jute factories in Dundee, probably the most common were sacks. In the past, almost any product that was being transported around the world would have been sent in a jute sack, and there were millions of sacks produced every year in Dundee. Just a few samples here of the types of sacks that were produced. They were produced for all sorts of products. This one here is a chemical detergent. This one has actually got an inner liner as well. A lot of the sacks were quite open weave, and they'd be used to carry vegetables. This one, for example, had potatoes in it. And if you're carrying products like potatoes and so on, jute sacks are one of the best types of packaging to use because the jute was breathable. More recent ones we can see here with rice. This one has actually been produced for different markets, although it's produced by the same company. If we turn the bag over, we can actually see that we have the different language on the opposite side of the sack itself. And occasionally the jute was actually coloured as well, so it would be stained, so we have a nice coloured package down here. Depending on the product that the jute was being used for, you could have either fairly open weave sacks or narrower weave sacks. An example of a fine weave one here is one from the post office that was used as a mail bag. And we can actually see the tags that would be used to hang the sack up for the letters to be put in.